Dear friends, something wrong with our cell phone communication. So I'm Vic Goncharuk. I'm CEO of CoffeeBot project. So we are here right in the middle of, right in the heart of Moscow City, Federation Tower. Here is our first robotic unit, first robotic cafe in the heart of Moscow. And we would like to scale this business all over the world and develop this business very fast. So we need money for it. We would like to do some important things. The first one is prototyping and development. This is not so big sum in the course of all our project. It's about $300,000. We needed to develop our prototypes of our own robots and some prototypes of kiosk infrastructure. For example, lifts, dispensers, etc., etc. So the second one is SaaS platform to operate this robotic business well. Today we have some examples of realization of robotic units, robotic coffee units all over the world, but this model not scaled and not so massive because there are no programming platform to operate it well. So we would like to develop this SaaS platform very fast. We have some part of this task done. So the second one, we would like to produce robotic kiosks, coffee kiosks, and sell it. And this is the second part of our expenses. But this part of expenses foreseen the fast revenue into the project. The third one is production of the project of robotization for the requests, for the orders of external operators of fast food business all over the world. And the last one, this is franchise business. We would like to pack our business like in franchise way, but we need some instruments for business and for business agents to manage robots, to make robots very clever, very smart, separate, and don't need it some help, some activity of business agent all over the world. We would like to operate it separately in remote mode and online, and it's possible. It's very fast. So we need about $1.5 million, and just fourth part or less we need for prototyping and IT development. And the last 4 or 3 parts of all our request for money, it's production and some production needs. We will produce robotic units and sell it. So, good luck.